How to fix screen flickering on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's jump right in. First, restart your device. A simple restart can resolve any minor glitches, including screen flickering. Hold down the power button on your device and simply swipe towards restart or power off and turn it back off. Check if the flickering persists. Second method, adjust display settings. Some display settings like refresh rates or brightness can cause flickering. Simply turn off adaptive brightness. For that, go to settings. Now check for display and brightness and tap to open it. Toggle adaptive brightness off or auto brightness off. You can even go to settings then display and advanced section. Select refresh rate and set it to a lower value, example 60 Hz. Now you simply need to reset your device settings. Come back to the settings section and then tap on the search bar. Type in reset and you'll see all the list of reset options. You have to simply choose reset network settings. Now tap reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings and test if the issue is resolved by tapping on reset network settings. If none of the above works, it could be a hardware issue. Inspect your screen for cracks or physical damage and contact a professional technicians or visit an authorized service center. And after that, your issue should be fixed. And that's it. If the problem persists, it might be time to consult a technician or replace your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please like, subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.